This is how you register for BcoinWise. Once you clicked on the link, the following screen will appear. You enter your first name, your last name, your initials, your ID or passport number, your cell phone number without a zero, your email address, and your title. The reason for your ID or passport number is for the bank transactions. We are creating a bank e-wallet for you. Once you've done the top part, you take a screenshot. Then you go down to the address. Fill in most of the lines to ensure that your complete address is available. At the sponsor details, do not change anything here. Don't click on the mobile number and leave the sponsor referral number as it is. Now you proceed and enter a password. The password should meet all the requirements as per below. This is an example. As you can see, all the requirements has been met. It's very important to repeat the same password in the second block. Take a screenshot because as you can see, this looks like there's a couple of typing mistakes in the password. If you make a mistake in your password and you haven't made a screenshot, there is no way for us to help you to get access to your account. IT will then be involved and this can take up to a week to resolve. Make sure that your password is typed correctly and that you make a screenshot of it. Once done, you click on the tick below and you click on Sign Up. Don't click on Login, you don't have an account yet. Once you go to the next page, the banking details will be there with your reference number.